Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can print two prints one at a time. So basically what we'll need to do is go to the settings and go to the custom settings. So right here, if you get something like this, you'll need to click on show custom and you'll need to search for the settings and type right here print sequence, and you'll basically get, let me just fix that, see, and you'll get the special modes print sequence, and you'll get one at a time. So if you select this one, and you can select set print sequence manually, so you can click on the models and select print sequence manually, or you can just select one at a time, slice it, and basically it will choose automatically. So that's how you print one at a time in Cura Slicer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.